Welcome to Best Choice. The best air filter kit is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of maintaining a healthy home environment. But today, we're diving deep into the world of air filter cleaning kits, exploring what makes them essential for clean air. We'll be looking at how these kits can help you breathe easier, extend the life of your air filters, and ultimately, save you money in the long run. So, buckle up as we uncover everything you need to know about keeping your air clean and your home fresh. Number 5. Spectre Performance 884820 Accucharge Filter Kit. This kit is designed for the cleaning and care of Spectre HPR filters. It ensures your filter performs at its best, maintaining optimal engine performance. The kit comes complete with 12 ounces of cleaner and 8 ounces of oil. Everything you need to keep your filter in top condition is included. The graduations on the bottle allow for precise measuring. You can easily measure the exact amount of cleaner and oil needed. Spray top bottles make cleaner application effortless. Using this kit is simple and convenient. With this kit, you can easily maintain the performance of your Spectre HPR filters. It's a simple way to extend the life of your filter. What we like. This kit is designed specifically for Spectre HPR filters. It comes with a precise measuring system for accurate application. If you have a Spectre HPR filter and want an easy-to-use kit, you should consider this. What people say. Instructions on the box are very clear and application is simple. I have washable Spectre air filters in all my vehicles, and having this on the shelf to clean them during oil changes takes a little more effort than just replacing them, but it's worth it in the long run on your wallet. Works. Cleaned my filter and oiled it no prob. It's pretty good for a kit including of cleaner and oil. I only used once, both sprays are more than adequate. Number 4. 18 Performance Air Filter Kit, Chevrolet, GMC, Ford. This air filter from 18 Performance is designed to boost your engine's performance. It maximizes airflow, giving your vehicle the power it needs. It's a great choice for automotive enthusiasts. This filter is engineered to fit throttle body injection assemblies and carburetors. It's an ideal replacement component, ensuring a seamless installation. This will optimize your vehicle's performance. The kit includes everything you need for a complete installation. The package comes with a black top, base, gasket, element, bolt, and wing nut. It's designed for a thorough automotive replacement. This round air cleaner is washable and reusable, making it a practical choice. The design ensures long-lasting engine efficiency. It's a durable solution for your vehicle. The air filter allows air intake through the top and sides. This innovative design is key to enhancing engine power. It's perfect for your automotive replacement projects. What we like. This kit maximizes airflow for superior engine performance. It's washable and reusable, making it a practical choice. If you are looking for a complete kit with enhanced engine performance, you should consider this. What people say. This is a very well-made and good-looking air filter. Love the top hold-down button, which is much better looking than a plain wing nut. Perfect fit and function. Number 3. KNN 995000 Air Filter Care Service Kit. This kit is designed to clean and maintain your KNN air filter. It helps to keep the filter performing at its best, ensuring optimal engine performance. Over time, filters can become clogged with dirt and debris. This kit helps to restore the filter's ability to capture contaminants, allowing it to perform like new. The kit includes Power Clean, a powerful degreaser. It quickly dissolves buildup and old oil, making it easy to rinse away grime with water. The kit also includes KNN Red Filter Oil. This oil remains suspended in the filter material, allowing for exceptional contaminant capture and improved engine protection. The process is simple. Spray on Power Clean, rinse with water, allow the filter to dry, and then apply fresh filter oil. This will keep it working well. By using this kit, you can restore airflow efficiency. This ensures that your KNN air filter performs like new, providing optimal engine performance. What we like. This kit cleans all oiled KNN air filters and restores their performance. It includes Power Clean and Red Filter Oil. If you like to maintain your KNN filter's exceptional performance, you should consider this. What people say. The aerosol cleaner and oil are simple to apply, and the kit comes with clear instructions. This cleaning kit really brings the filter back to life, allowing better airflow and improved engine performance. The cleaning process is straightforward and highly effective. The aerosol cleaner breaks down dirt and grime with ease, and the oil adds a perfect layer of protection to keep contaminants out. Number 2. K&N 99-5050 BK Air Filter Cleaning Kit. This kit is designed to clean all oiled K&N air filters. It helps to remove the dirt and grime that can build up over time. This ensures the filter continues to perform at its best. This kit helps restore your filter to exceptional performance. It removes filter clogging buildup, allowing the engine to breathe easier. This leads to improved performance. The kit includes Power Clean, a powerful degreaser. It quickly dissolves filter buildup and old oil. Then, you can rinse it away with water. The kit also includes K&N Black Filter Oil. This oil remains suspended in the filter material. It allows for exceptional contaminant capture, protecting your engine. The cleaning steps are simple: spray on Power Clean, rinse with water, allow the filter to dry, and then apply fresh filter oil. Following these steps will keep your filter in top condition. This kit restores airflow efficiency. It helps your K&N air filter perform like new. You'll notice the difference in your engine's performance. What we like. This kit cleans all oiled K&N air filters and restores their performance. It includes Power Clean and Black Filter Oil. If you are looking for a kit with black filter oil to maintain your K&N filter, you should consider this. What people say. After using the filter cleaner 3 times, letting it sit 10 minutes before rinsing each time, I finally decided it was as clean as it was going to get, and boy was the water filthy the first 2 rinses. Now I have a clean and freshly oiled air filter. Second photo, and my car passed smog. I plan to clean my air intake now every 2 years before my smog test, and there is enough of the cleaner and the oil left in the bottles to be able to do this several more times with this kit. Number 1. BMC WA250-500 Automotive Air Filter Wash Kit. Introducing the BMC Washing Kit, specifically designed for your air filter. This kit includes a special detergent formulated for optimal cleaning, ensuring peak performance. The detergent in this kit is designed to remove low-viscosity oil effectively. This ensures the best air permeability, allowing the engine to breathe easier. BMC air filters are washable and reusable. This feature makes it perfect for high-performance applications, offering both efficiency and cost savings. These air filters are engineered for superior airflow. They are designed and produced to provide a higher airflow compared to standard OEM air filters. With this kit, you can maintain the performance of your BMC air filter. It's a simple solution to keep your engine running at its best. What we like. This kit is formulated for maximum cleaning of low-viscosity oil. BMC air filters are washable and reusable, perfect for high-performance applications. If you like high airflow and washable filters, you should consider this. What people say. The washing up liquid is tremendously effective at removing dirt and grime. The regeneration fluid has an adequate viscosity and it creates a nice film. Works perfectly with my K&N filter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.